Welcome back, guys. We are doing some more projects. There used to be a tree right here where this stuff is. Got to get out here and kill these roots. But we had to get rid of the tree because we have the power lines right above. The tree was getting taller and taller. And not only that, the root system is actually going to be heading, or was going to be heading toward our porch. So we had to get that pulled out and found out that that tree was invasive. So that was good that we took care of that. All of our veggies are doing great. We're going to have to move these buckets. Tomatoes are doing wonderful. They're actually really starting to come in big time. And we've got one that's starting to ripen right there. It's pretty cool. And my husband's been staying busy on his days off. So we have this planter's box with our onions doing really well. Everything's growing really good. And then he just built me this new one. So we're gonna get out here soon and get some soil in there so we can start planting more. Hey ladies. The guinea hens were just going to town there a minute ago with all their noise. Hey Wilson. You sunbathing there, buddy? Actually dirt bathing. That's what it is. You're dirt bathing. Come in here and check on these ladies. The big ladies too. Hey babies. They seem to really be enjoying their new home. Getting big. They're going through lots and lots of food, that's for sure. A lot more active. And we haven't lost any more since the last time, which was last week. So that's plus. All right, you big ladies. I don't see any eggs in these new boxes. You're gonna have to get used to that. That's probably where these ladies are gonna end up laying their eggs because they're in here already. You got any eggs in here for me? There's one. I know you ladies have eggs under there, which I'm going to grab. This is what we got early this afternoon, so that's a good start. Well, we checked out a new feed store earlier today instead of going to Ace. So I'll show you what kind of feed we got.